In today's video, I'll show you how to export members from Microsoft Teams. Whether you're managing a large project, organizing contacts, or keeping records for reference, exporting your team members can be extremely helpful. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, sign into your Microsoft Teams account. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Microsoft Teams website. If you're not already signed in, enter your email address and password. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your main Teams dashboard where all your workspaces and tools are available. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will open a menu with several account-related options. From this menu, select My Microsoft Account. This will take you to your Microsoft account page, where you can manage settings, privacy options, and other account preferences. On your Microsoft account page, find and click on the Privacy section. This area contains tools for managing your data and privacy settings across Microsoft services. Within the Privacy section, look for and select Teams. This will open a page dedicated specifically to Microsoft Teams data and options. Here, you'll see an option labeled Export Contacts. Click on this to start exporting your Teams members. Depending on the number of members in your team and your internet speed, the export process may take a little time, so be patient. Once the export is complete, your contacts will be ready to download. The file is usually provided in a format that can be opened using spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel, making it easy to organize, filter, and work with your team member data. And that's it. You've successfully exported members from Microsoft Teams. Whether you need the list for meetings, projects, or record keeping, this process makes managing your contacts simple and efficient. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.